Bosh! What's up guys? I hope you're doing well. Today we are going to be making Som Tam Thai, a Thai spicy salad, normally used with green papaya, but as it's not that keto, I'm going to be making it with chayote, which is a really low carb fruit. And it works really well with this salad. This is one of my favourite salads in the world, and I hope you like it too. So, enough blabbing, let's get some done making. Yeah. Here we go. Here's our ingredients. We have a couple of long beans, some garlic, tomato, some limes, the chayote obviously, some dried prawns, and some peanuts. We have some sweetener, you can use any one of your choice, a splash of coconut cider vinegar, this is optional, and some fish sauce. Okay guys, there you go, that's our ingredients for the Som Tam Thai. So we're going to start with our chayote. Now hopefully you checked out my other video about why the chayote is a good vegetable to have on the ketogenic diet, and if you check that out you'd know that this is a slightly older one and the skin's a little bit tougher. So I'm just going to roughly peel that, okay? Okay, there you go. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're just going to chop this in half. You can see we got the little stone. I'm just going to take that out. So there we go. We've just chopped that up into pieces like that. And we're going to do the same for this one. So you've got to be careful, it's a little bit slippery when you're using this, so be careful when chopping. Okay guys, there you go, this is exactly what we want. Okay, now we've got our long beans. We are just basically going to chop them up into about an inch or so pieces. And there we go, done. Okay, now for our tomatoes, our tomatoes. Just going to chop them in little pieces like this. There's the ingredients ready to get salad som tam making. Okay guys, so we're just going to add in our cloves of garlic and start popping. Pop, 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 pop. Okay, there we go. We're just going to take out these little pieces now of the skin. We normally use smaller cloves of garlic in Thailand and that for this salad, but I didn't have any, so this will do. We're just going to add in the chilies, so up to you how hot you want it. You adjust it to your taste. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3. I like my salad spicy, so 18 chilies for me. And we're just going to continue giving that a pound. And there we go. I'm just going to add in the sweetener now. You may need to adjust this, and it all depends on your taste. The long beans. Give that a little. Going to now add in the chayote. Yeah, you want to like bruise it all up a little bit, and that, and all the flavours are going to soak in together. It's going to be absolutely lovely. Okay, we've got our limes now. We're just going to squeeze some of them in. Squeeze in. So must make sure you wash the limes, guys, because we when we're making this salad, we put these in the actual dish as well. And the centre part with the seeds, we'll just give that a squeeze and discard. Just going to add in our tomatoes now, guys, like that. They're quite soft, so you just need a little wash. Just going to add our fish sauce in now. So, like 1, maybe 2 of these. And give it a taste. You want to know what it tastes like. Oh, sap. I'm going to add another sweetener. Okay, to reduce the carbs, even though the limes are really good for you and that, I'm just going to add a little bit of the coconut cider vinegar just for a bit more citrusy. Now I've got the peanuts and the dried prawns, the dried shrimp. Just going to add them in. Give that a mix around. Check it out, Som Tam Thai keto version with chayote. Here we go, here's the finished product, our Som Tam Thai. Let's just put it to the taste test. See what it's like. Oh yeah. It's absolutely freaking lovely, and you have to make this dish and tell me what you think in the comments, because this is so good, so spicy and twangy. It's just so nice and refreshing, especially on a nice hot summer's day. Absolutely gorgeous. So I hope you give it a go. Tell me what you think in the comments. If you have any other suggestions or anything at all, please write them down there as well. And I will catch up with you later, because I need to eat this and put the fan on, because Niagara Falls face. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care, stay cool, and stay tuned for more videos and vlogs coming soon. Cheers. Chicka chicka chicka. Som Tam Thai. And it went everywhere. Ugh.